children, welcome back to Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, today I am going to continue with chapter number 1, Computational Thinking. I am going to discuss on the topic Applying Reasoning to Make Decisions. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know and apply reasoning to make decisions. Children, you be ready with your computer textbook, curriculum worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let us move to the topic, applying reasoning to make decisions. Everyone makes decisions in daily life. Some of our problems are so general that we hardly take any time to decide on them. But sometimes when a problem is complex, it needs our wisdom and experience to take decisions. Difficult situations require more reasoning and skills to solve problems. Let us understand this with a simple mathematical equation. Problem: to calculate the sum of the first 10 odd numbers. Children, here we have 10 first odd numbers and their sum is 100. How can we solve this one easily with the reasoning skill? Solution: looking at the first 10 odd numbers from 1 to 19, we can easily notice that 1 plus 19 equal to 20, 3 plus 17 is equal to 20, 5 plus 15 is equal to 20, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20, 9 plus 11 plus equal to 20. In this problem, there are 5 pairs. When these are added individually, the answers comes out to be 20, as shown above. Therefore, the sum of odd numbers is 5 into 20 equal to 100. Here 5 is number of pairs, 20 is sum of each pair. Both multiplied together, we get the sum of first 10 odd numbers is 100. Hence the following the above method, we can calculate the sum of first 20 or 50 odd numbers easily. We can solve the simple equations quickly, like 15 plus 15 30, 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20, 16 into 2 equal to 32, 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. When the mathematical equation is complex, it needs our right reasoning to solve it. For example, 18 into 35 plus in bracket 20 plus 160 divided by 4 bracket close plus 3 raised to power 3 minus 5 into 150. Children, in computer, star is used for multiplication, the control symbol is used for to give the power value, and slash is used for division. Here we need to apply the BODMAS rule to give the correct solution. Let us take another situation. Suppose you have to select 2 games in our school games from the given list. Outdoor games days: skating Wednesday, horse riding Friday, swimming Wednesday, lawn tennis Friday. B. Indoor games days: table tennis Wednesday, chess Friday, carom board Wednesday, badminton Friday. Conditions: there are certain conditions and rules to be followed by every student before making the selection from the given list of 8 games. Rules to select the combination of games are as follows. Each student has to select at least 2 games. The selection of one game from each section is mandatory. The periods for 2 selected games should not fall on the same day. Children, here we need to think and take a decision with the help of reasoning skills. Children, let us solve one activity given in curriculum worksheet number 1. Understand the following image and write the components of computational thinking. Children, observe the given image here. Here we have four components of computational thinking. This all we have discussed in the previous video. Decomposition, breaking something into smaller parts. Pattern recognition, looking for similarities and trends. Abstraction, focusing on what's important, ignoring what is unnecessary. Algorithm design, creation of step-by-step instructions to solve a problem. Children, here we have to write in a proper sequence and we have to fill this box. Can you guess, children, what is the first this one? Yes, it is pattern recognition. The second, it is abstraction. The other two you will do it on your own. Hope you understood this activity. It is time to end our session. Home play. Complete the curriculum worksheet 1, page number 4. Read and understand about applying reasoning to make decisions. Thank you, children.